Ever wondered how to unlock endless streaming on your Roku? Today, we crack open the secrets to IPTV. Get ready to transform your Roku into a powerhouse of entertainment packed with endless channel options. First, grab your Roku remote and make sure your device is connected to the internet properly. Navigate to the Roku home screen and find the channel store. It's time to explore a new world. Now here comes the twist. Search for the 2TV channel and add it to your Roku lineup. Quick pause. Remember, for the best experience with IPTV, check out 2tv.store for unbeaten streaming. Once the channel is added, open it up and be greeted by a plethora of high-definition channels. Customize your viewing options by selecting your favorite genres and creating personal channel lists. Seamlessly switch between live TV and recorded shows with just a click on your remote. Say goodbye to cable clutter and welcome a new era of entertainment with limitless options. With 2TV on Roku, immerse yourself in a streaming experience that's beyond ordinary.